Hi everyone, my name is Jarrod Kingston and welcome to my course, Knowledge Management in Salesforce Service Cloud. I am a Director of Solution Engineering at 7 Summits, an IBM company, and a Salesforce MVP. Did you know that most struggling support organizations typically lack a structured knowledge base? That's where Salesforce Knowledge comes in, making it easier for you to manage, maintain, and distribute help articles to both agents and customers. In this course, we are going to review the key areas for managing and maintaining your knowledge base using Salesforce Knowledge. Some of the major topics that we will cover include configuring knowledge settings in the knowledge object, data categories, managing article permissions and visibility, Salesforce Knowledge components. By the end of this course, you'll know how to administer, maintain, and utilize Salesforce Knowledge. Before beginning this course, you should have a basic understanding of the Salesforce platform. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to successfully manage and maintain a knowledge base using Salesforce Knowledge with the Knowledge Management in Salesforce Service Cloud course at Pluralsight.